I got a man now, I heard you a fan now. Hi loves, welcome back. So again, I'm here. I know I look the same, but the clothes are different. Yeah, I'm just getting so many clothing hauls. I think I'm gonna do like a fashion week like I did, I think in 2016, or I think it was 2016 where I did a fashion week. It might have been 2017, I don't really remember. But yeah, I am today, well right now, I'm featuring Kaftan Citra. I might have butchered that name, but I'm not really sure of how to pronounce it, so I've just been saying Kaftan Citra. It might be Kaftan Citra, you know, I don't really know. I cannot, like, I love the Swarovski crystals. I love the bead work done here. It's just so freaking beautiful, and with all the outfits you do get an extra set of beads just in case, you know, one or two pop off here and there. But other than that, like, this is so pretty. Like, I love the detail, and I did something with my ISO on the camera, so it's like going in and out of focus, so I do apologize. So a quick little background, I believe they're based out of Indonesia. If I'm incorrect, I will place it on the screen. What else do I want to mention? I feel like this is good high-end clothing, and I don't really have a problem paying for, I guess, higher priced items if they're worth it. Like, I feel like if I had an event to go to and I was searching for something like this, I would definitely check out Kaftan Citra. I just don't have a problem paying for something if it's worth that much. So, yeah. And I have a haul that I felt like I was overly priced and I shouldn't have paid that much money, but that's a different haul. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. So the first thing I'm wearing, and it's this cute LBD. I mean, it has some silver in it, of course, but it's just so freaking pretty. I love how low it goes as far as like the chest area. I do feel like it's like a fold up under here that kind of pops out a little bit, but other than that, like, I think it's so freaking flattering and pretty on. I love the sleeves. I think most of them do have like cuff details, and it's just so pretty. The crystals aren't overly heavy. They do have some weight to them, but they just sit really nicely. I love the design of this one right here. It's just a plain old, well, it's not even plain. It's just a nice black dress. And every time I get a better black dress than the last one I had, I always put the last one in my closet sale and stick to the new one. So, yeah, that's my way of not hoarding. So the next dress is this maroon, wine, burgundy, whatever you want to call it, and gold detail dress. I thought it was pretty flattering on, a nice sleeveless bodycon. Most of the material, but basically all of the material is like this stretchy, it's probably polyester or spandex or something like that, or a mixture, but it's a nice stretchy material, and I had no problem getting into the 3X's. So yeah, the next dress is this one right here, and I love the length, and I love that it doesn't really expose or highlight those problem areas. If anything, it flatters it a little bit. So yeah, I do like this dress right here more than I thought I would like it. It's an off-the-shoulder, high slit in the front blouse. Now, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a top, but I feel like it was because the slit came up so high. It has gold cuff detailing with the crystals and beads, and yeah, it's off the shoulder and it's super long. So yeah, I really do think that this was supposed to be a top, and I wore it as a dress, and I was like, whoa, this split is really high. It'd be really nice, and maybe a black heel or a flat. I think a gold flat, that would go really nicely with this. So yeah, that's this one right here. And like I said, if it was made to be a top, it's perfect. If it was a dress, the split is way too high on me. So getting into the jumpsuits, this one right here, it's cute, but it was up my butt, and I love this one arm or one shoulder or chest detailing with the gold on the left side, and then the right side is basically plain and long sleeve, and it does have some cuff detailing. But the only thing, like I said, I like the skinny leg of it because a lot of jumpsuits are wide leg, but I like the skinny leg of this one. But like I said, the only thing is it was really like up my butt, and then I had like that awkward gapping in the back where, you know, it's like I don't really know how to explain it. It's just not enough material back there, you know, to support what I'm carrying. It's like, but yeah, it's a really nice jumpsuit nonetheless. And then the next jumpsuit, this one was a little bit harder to get into. It's sleeveless on the left side, and then on the right side it has a nice ruffle detail. It is gold. I love the gold combination with the black. I just love the gold period, but this silver popping too. But yeah, this one was a little bit hard. It is like high neck, so it was a little bit hard to get around my butt. But it did go over it, and it did zip up. This one was more flattering in the back area than the last one, but the last one was easier to get on than this one. And I will be coming to you with some bomb ASS pictures on the gram, because these were some bomb outfits. So this next one, this is like my favorite thing in the haul. Like, this is so pretty. I love maroon, wine, burgundy, whatever we want to call it. I love that color or that family. So and then I love the ruffle ruching detail that it has on the front and back of the outfit. It is a two-piece set. It is off shoulder. The top is cropped, and then it's like a long skirt. I think it's high-low. Well, it has like a high split in the front. It's just so freaking pretty and like sexy. It's just, it's so sultry. It's like, I would definitely do a burgundy smoky eye, a burgundy, well, maybe not a burgundy lip, because that'd probably be too much burgundy. But I just feel like this is so freaking pretty, y'all. So let me know if you love it as much as I love it on me. So the next set is nice as well, but again, the last one was my favorite. But this one is a nice purple, and I don't really wear purple that often now that I think about it. But this is like a purple and gold. It also has like some iridescent crystals on there as well. The thing I like about this one is the dramatic sleeve on the right arm. It's sleeveless over here, so you have no sleeve. It's basically like a tube top area over here, and then on the right side it does have like this long dramatic sleeve, but it does have an opening where your hand can come out, of course. And then it has like this really long skirt. The skirt drags the floor on me. I will say the thing about these skirts, the waistband is not super duper thick, so yeah, it's just a regular old waistband. I don't really know how to explain it. It's not a super thick, you know, sturdy waistband, but nonetheless, I feel like these sets were really, really freaking pretty. So then the last thing, and this haul went by way quicker than I thought it would, is this top right here. This gold and black top is everything to die for. Like, with some gold sandals. Like, I can make this a dressy, classy outfit, or I can make this a really chill day-to-day outfit. Like, I could wear this with some jeans, high-waist black jeans, and a gold sandal. Or I can definitely wear this with maybe some high-waist black trousers or jeans and a black heel or a gold heel, and it'll be really cute. This one did come up a little high. You know, I found myself, you know, pulling it down a little bit. But other than that, like, I think this is really pretty. I love the chest area. The chest area on these are really well done. You don't have too much exposure, like, for example, on this dress as well. But you do have that sexiness going on. So, yeah. Again, it's that stretchy material. Everything was super duper stretchy. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, they go up to, like, maybe 4X, 5X. But, again, I'll have everything linked down below, so you'll be able to see that for yourself. I'll also have some pictures posted up on my Instagram. But I mean, if you watch the haul, you already have seen everything. I also will be doing another video with them, and it's going to be a really eventful video. And I can't wait to see the dresses. Like, they look so freaking bomb on the models. And that's another thing, their models are just so curvy and delicious. But yeah, that's what sold me on a lot of this stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Kaftan, Citra, for working with me. And yeah, thank you for some amazing products. Why did I just pose at the end?